Yo guys, it hasn't even been a full week yet. We already have seen a crazy restock over the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. That's what I'm telling you guys, man. Do not pay resale just yet. Give it a couple weeks because it's going to be restocks every single wear. And it's even going to be towards a point where you don't even want to see the Gratitude 11s anymore, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know, man, it's super appreciative if you guys have come through every single video. Come drop a like button, drop a couple comments down below. Let me know what you think about whatever topic we're talking about. And these Air Jordan Gratitudes have been the talk of the town, bruh. Had I come up on YouTube, because I know a lot of people has been commenting in yesterday's video and the day before yesterday on the drop day, saying they took an L, how they still try to find a pair. And you guys seen today, there was a major restock, man. But if you guys new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please do a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. Take you over to IG, take you over to Twitter, and a couple different links down below. So go ahead and hit that link and direct you straight to some of my other social media platforms, man. Yo guys, I'm telling y'all, bro, these things are literally everywhere. I know it's a lot of people still trying to find, certain pairs, and usually those pairs that people are looking for is those huge sizes like size 11, size 12, size 13, some of them big sizes like that, which we did see on that restock today on JD and Finish Line, bro. JD and Finish Line did a major restock tour. It was a bunch of pairs. Maybe it was pairs that people canceled on. Maybe it was pairs that, they already in the shoot to drop on today, just to have, more sneakers in the shoot, make more money and all that good stuff. And the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude is probably not the first restock we're gonna see, bro. I feel like we're gonna see another crazy little restock on Sneakers app. We see it almost every single year when we get an Air Jordan 11 special. They give us a restock within those first couple of weeks. And I'm telling y'all, bro, it's a lot of people that did cancel their orders. Just checking out the recap video for the Gratitude 11s, people say, yo, you know what? I didn't mean to grab two pairs, so I ended up canceling a pair on Nike. So either one of two things. They're gonna do a restock over on Nike Sneakers app, or we're gonna see all these pairs in the Nike outlets. Not no crazy amounts of pairs in Nike outlet, but it's gonna be a decent amount to where you're gonna be like, yo, I cannot believe there's a clean pair of Air Jordan 11s in the Nike store, bro. It did seem like those bigger sizes, like I said, were a little bit more limited. I know for like a size 9, a size 8.5 and stuff like that, they're plentiful. Like you could probably still find a pair in local areas, but those big sizes like size 11 and up, it is slim pickings, man. It's hard to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and check over on StockX real quick and just see how the resale is looking for these Gratitude 11s, given the fact that they just dropped a couple of days ago. But again, bro, it's a holiday 11. Everybody's wanting them, and everybody's trying to find a pair of these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. So pull up on StockX right now. I think it's #1 trending sneakers over there. And my size, like I said, ain't going for much. So my size only going for like 216 bucks, which is $15 under retail. But when you get up to that size, like 11.5, size 11, you're looking at 230 plus, 230, 260. And you talking about size 15, you almost talking about $300 in that size. So those bigger sizes, that's what seems like it's been hard to get. So if you are within those size ranges, man, I still would not pay resale yet. I think you would definitely be able to obtain a pair of these joints on a restock. If you did hit on a restock today on JD or Finish Line, you most likely will be hitting on a restock, Nike Sneakers app. You might even see one on random one in Foot Locker, Shoe Palace, some of those mom and pop shops. You might see these joints sitting there, and I really do want to go to my mall just to see if I see any Gratitude 11 sitting, because I'd be quite surprised if I do see any sizes sitting here. The way the mall did look when I picked up my pair, people everywhere, people waiting in the lines. People had like 2-3 bags of, these Gratitude 11s. And it was just a lot of hype surrounding these in my local area. But you guys can comment down below how your area did. How is it looking? There's a lot of people going crazy for them. I cannot wait to see, how you guys' release date went. I know on Saturday we kind of talked about if you got a W or L, but if it's still people trying to find a pair of these joints, man, still just wait a bit. Wait for a restock, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find your pair for retail, man. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Stay tuned, you feel me? Do not pay resale yet. These will be restocking in a couple different spots here shortly. I don't have any set days or anything like that for the restock. That's gonna happen over on Nike Sneakers app, but I'm guaranteeing you guys, you're gonna be seeing something here very shortly about these joints being restocked on the Nike sneakers, man. Super clean sneaker. I love them. A lot of people did tend to gravitate towards them. All leather upper, not the mesh like we got on the DMPs, but it's still a very, very crispy pair of Air Jordan 11s, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please drop a huge like on today's video, man. It might go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. It shows me you guys rock out with your boy The Vintage, man. I appreciate all the support. Again, thanks for tapping in. With all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.